Banks have been choking middle market companies for years, putting them through endless hoops, slow processes, and impossible requirements while promising support that never really comes. They say they want to help, but what they really do is stall your growth, drain your energy, and leave you frustrated beyond belief. You know it. Weeks of waiting, piles of paperwork, calls that go nowhere, and in the end, a hard no or terms so bad you'd rather walk away. This isn't just annoying, it's brutal. It kills momentum, it drains confidence, and it punishes ambition. Now, you're caught in this mess. Founders trying to scale, investors trying to put money where it counts, professionals wrestling with outdated systems that weren't built for speed or flexibility. How many times have you been kicked back to square one, watching opportunities slip through your fingers because the banks couldn't move fast? It's infuriating. It's the difference between thriving and drowning. You're fighting a system that hasn't kept pace with the real needs of the market. But here's the reality bomb. Direct lending is not just some side player creeping in. It's reshaping the landscape behind the scenes, faster than most people realize. This isn't about replacing banks in a polite way. It's about smashing the old guard because the old guard refuses to adapt. Direct lenders are stepping up with flexibility that banks lack, speed that banks can't touch, and risk appetite that matches the real game. They want to work with you, not make your life impossible by paper pushing. So if you're stuck in the endless cycle, here's what you need to do immediately. Start building real direct lending relationships. Don't wait for banks to come around. That era is fading. Talk to specialty lenders who actually understand your sector and your challenges. Look for partners who don't just see you as a credit report, but as someone building something real. And when they ask questions, don't dodge the tough ones. Embrace transparency, because direct lenders get that honesty speeds this up. It's brutal, but it's honest. At the same time, don't throw all caution out the window. Direct lending isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You have to operate as if you're running a mini private equity shop. Analyze every deal, stress test assumptions with brutal honesty, negotiate hard on terms, and always keep a close eye on covenants. Being smart here isn't optional. It's survival. Build a team around you that can pull all these threads together fast and clean. And listen, the market isn't static. Direct lending funds are also competing fiercely, and they're hungry for deals that make sense. When you come with clear vision, solid business fundamentals, and a plan that's ready to roll, you place yourself in that sweet spot. The very place where capital flows quickly and on terms you want. The control swings back to you. That's the power move. You can't wait anymore, hoping that banks somehow will get their act together. They're trapped in their own rules and risk-averse culture that crushes potential. But direct lending? It's the edge you need. Precise, agile, relentless. Your job is to harness that energy, but do it smart, do it now, and don't give anyone a reason to say no. This is the new middle market finance reality. No one's handing out handshakes and easy money. But if you know how to pick your partners, negotiate fiercely, and build a solid structure around your deals, you'll win. It's raw out there, but there's more capital flowing through direct lending networks than ever before. Use that to fuel your growth and cut through the noise. So stop wasting time on silence and slow banks. Get out of the cracks where old systems trap you. Go find those direct lenders who move fast and understand risk differently. Build those alliances now. Own your path like the founder, investor, or leader you are. Because this market won't wait, and neither should you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.